Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be explaining on how you can go into fish farming in Nigeria. Yes, I'll be explaining things to you that you can know if you want to go into fish farming in Nigeria. Although before we continue, I want you guys to know that I'll be dropping an ebook concerning on how you can start up your goat farming in Nigeria. Full details about that. Yes, I have a course for it. So, and that course will be sold around 5,000 naira for you guys. So, if you want it, at the end of this video, I'll be dropping my contact list and I'll be dropping the link below. So, just click the link and you can get to that particular ebook and you download it and you read it. There is every possibility that you're going to get it because in that particular place, I wrote everything about how you can start up your goat farming. Although that was not what I'm here to talk about today, but I just want to remind you guys that I'll be dropping my ebook concerning on how you can start up your goat farming. The full training about it, starting from the breed. Even I talked about the Kalahari, I talked about their diseases, their prevention, and everything, the symptoms about goat farming. Everything I've talked about that, and I'll be dropping that ebook very soon for you guys. So if you want to buy it, get there and buy it and start up your goat farming. So let's head on into this video. Like I've told you guys earlier, today we'll be talking about how you can start up fish farming in Nigeria. Do you know that fish farming is very lucrative in Nigeria? If you don't know, then this is an opportunity for you because I'm telling you guys today that fish farming is very, very lucrative. If only you can dive into fish farming, you are going to be rich from this fish farming. Although you shouldn't be saying the outcome of it, I mean the richness or things that are going to gain from this fish farming. But I'm telling you guys that if you go into it, you will make money from it. So now if you want to start off a fish farming in Nigeria, what are the things that you need to know about fish farming in Nigeria? First thing, first and foremost, you need to go and sit down, strategize all your business plan. Like, okay, decide, okay, if I want to go into fish farming, is it that I'm raising these fish to sell them when they were matured, or I want to sell them during the time that they are still very small? You can go into it and you become a hatchery, like someone that used to hatch fish. So if you go into that aspect, then that means you're only just hatching the fish for people to buy it from your place. But if you are going into it as if you want to have a fish pond and you'll be raising them, then during the time that they were mature, that is the time that I want to sell them, then that means you are going into the fish farming itself. So there are different ways that you can go into fish farming and you make more money from it. So for example, if you are going to go into it and you want to keep them for a very long time before you know, then that is when you sell that particular fish. Then that means you have to dig a fish pond for them. You need to get a land. After getting a swine land, then start your your construction. If you start your construction, then you take that fish pond. If that fish pond is ready, then the next thing is to treat that your fish pond. And I can do all this for you. If you want my consultants, please do well to I'll be dropping my contact. Do well to contact me, and I'll come to wherever you are. If it's not that far from where I'm staying, then I'll come down there and I'll start up your fish farming for you. But I want you to know that these are things that should be running through your mind. That if you want to start a fish farming in Nigeria, first thing is to get your swine land. After getting your swine land, then the next thing is to think, okay, what are the pond I want to dig? Is it a standard pond or a mini standard pond? Now, and I'll be explaining to you guys that in one plot of land, you can dig up to 3 fish pond in one plot of land. Although the space between them will not be that much. They won't have that too much space between them. The space will be very few. But at least you are going to construct 3 fish pond in one plot of land. So, and if you have more than one plot of land and you want to start off your fish pond, you can do a standard pond. A standard pond is 50 by 40. I mean the wideness and the length of the fish is 50 by 40. And the feet of the fish pond must be 3 to 4 feet deeper. So that means then in an acres of land you can have up to 4 standard pond, and it can even be more than that, and you still have a lot of space again. So if you want that, then do what to contact me. And if you want a mini standard pond, like 30 by 40 or 30 by 20 or 20 by 15, do what to contact me. The particular pond I just showed you guys before I started this pitch, or the one that is showing right now, is a mini standard pond. This is 20 by 15. 20 by 15. And this particular pond, I mean, you can dig it, I can do it for you. The construction, I will help you guys to arrange how we'll start the construction if only you have a swine land. And that particular pond that you guys just watch right now is an empty pond, not a concrete pond. So if you want a concrete pond, no, fine, you can do a concrete pond. And if you want an earthy pond, you can do an earthy pond. Whichever one that you think that is okay for your fish to live in. So you can do your pond any one you want. It's either you are going for earthy pond or a concrete pond. So if you want my advice also, at the end of the video, if I drop my contact, please do not contact me, and me and you, we can discuss from there. If you want my own advice on this area of choosing a right pond for your fish. But one thing is to get your swine land. Make sure that there is river flowing. I mean that particular land is closer to river, so that you can generate water to your pond, so that we can do the inlet and outlet on where the water will be passing and where the water will be coming through, so that your fish will do very well. And if you want a breed of fish to rear, like if you want an hybrid or a Clara catfish, please do not contact me. I have someone that can supply you a Clara catfish, and it's a very good breed because the blue stock are very, very healthy and they are good, so that they are being hatched very well. So I can get you a right breed of fish to keep in your fish pond, and they will do very, very well. So that is things that you just need to know, and all those are things that you need to know about fish pond. And when the construction has been done, then that is when I will come in to treat your fish pond. I'll use a lime seine. I will use a lime to treat your fish pond. I'll use an industrial salt to treat your fish pond. Then we'll net your fish pond, and we'll just pump water to your fish pond, and you just start stocking your fish immediately. And before you know, your fish will start growing. And I can also tell you guys how you can calculate their formulas also of their feed, starting from where they were small, start from 1 mm to 2 mm to 3 mm to 4 mm to 5 mm to 6 mm. I can tell you everything that you need to know about how you can formulate their feed. You know, I've been working with feed me company, so I've learned a lot about fish feed. I've learned a lot. Like I can give you guys, I am bold. I can be bold to tell you guys, or I can be bold to give you any formula, and that formula will work for you. I'm very, very sure because I've learned a lot about Feed Me Company. And here in Adulta, we are here to guide you guys, and we are here to give you guys a lot that you need to know about farming. So it's very good. So if you are a farmer, if you are a fish farmer, then this is an opportunity for you, because today I've just released the best secret that you need to know about fish farming. It might not be best to you, but at least if you follow this stuff, then you're going to start up your fish farming and you're going to make more money from fish farming. Like I've said, there are a lot of money to be made from fish farming, and there are different opportunities in fish farming that you can go into, and before you know, you boom, you have start making money from fish farming in Nigeria. So if you want more question on fish farming, or more guide or guide on how you can start up your fish farming, do not contact me, and we will talk more from there. So please, if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop a new video for you guys. Like this video and give me a thumbs up, and have a blessed day. Bye for now.